Good morning, friends. So I just wanted to hop on today and read a book to y'all. The book that we're going to read today is The Flea's Sneeze by Carla Firehammer. And as I go on, hopefully it'll get better with y'all being able to see the pictures and stuff. I'm trying to figure out where's the best place to put my phone and all that, so hopefully it'll get better as we go. Okay. So, the flea sneeze. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. So, you'll see the barn and the animals. A rat, a cat, now y'all know Miss Fish has a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can y'all spot the cat? Can y'all spot the rat? No one heard him cough. He's sleeping. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can y'all spot the flea? No one heard him. He's still sleeping. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the what? The flea. Can y'all spot the flea? No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? He's silly, isn't he? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Can y'all spot the cat? Or the hog? Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Look at him. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maroo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. Y'all see all the animals? It scared them. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Y'all see all the animals in this one? Can't get my page to turn. There we go. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. I guess he's headed back to sleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat and the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. Oh, I forgot to show you the picture. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. How silly. Okay, so that was the Flea Sneeze. I hope y'all enjoyed that book, and I wanted to let y'all know that I did get some people respond to which Junie B book that they wanted. So if y'all still need to respond to that, you can, and let me know which one you chose. And I will begin one of them on Monday. So y'all get ready for that. See y'all on Monday. Bye.